Welcome back. Today we are looking at the people who steer the ship, leaders and managers. These roles are essential for a large business like TIG to set a vision and achieve its day-to-day goals. While the terms leader and manager are often used together, they have distinct roles. Let's explore the key differences between a leader and a manager. Leaders set the long-term vision and direction for the business. They are often transformational, focusing on innovation, brand integrity, and the future. This can be a formal role, like TIG's co-founders Heidi and Nigel, or an informal one. Managers, on the other hand, focus on the present and near future. They are often transactional, making decisions to ensure the business operates effectively and meets its daily goals. For TIG, this is like Sammy, the reservations and logistics manager who handles daily operations and staff scheduling. Both roles are critical. Leaders ensure the business is driven towards long-term goals, and managers ensure current operations run smoothly. Managers perform 4 essential functions to keep the business operating effectively. First, planning. This involves setting goals and creating a strategy to achieve them. TIG plans through biannual product reviews to maintain customer delight and set sustainability targets. Second, organizing. Ensuring the business has the necessary resources, staff, money, and equipment to meet its goals. TIG managers coordinate logistics for multiple sub-brands like Altitude Tours and Black. Third, leading or motivating. This means motivating staff to complete their tasks effectively. TIG leaders inspire a culture of excellence and encourage staff to personalize guest interaction. Finally, controlling. Monitoring progress towards goals and making changes if needed. TIG uses technology like geofence to monitor routes, ensuring driver compliance and customer safety. The style a manager uses significantly impacts team morale and decision-making. First, authoritarian or autocratic. The manager makes decisions alone without consulting staff. This style is useful for quick decisions. Next, democratic. The manager discusses issues with staff and makes decisions together. TIG uses this style, empowering tour guides to make real-time decisions on tours, leading to quick problem-solving and improved customer experience. Finally, laissez-faire staff are trusted to make their own decisions with minimal management oversight. This promotes ownership and works well with experienced, motivated teams. Great leadership and efficient management are the backbone of TIG's success. By clearly separating the long-term vision of leaders from the daily execution of managers, TIG can consistently deliver its premium, extraordinary experience.